Yo, bitches. We are walking in the rain. Oh, wait, you gotta see your cock sign.
Oh, wait, yeah. Wait, let's see. And it is not there anymore. Fuck that shit.
Yeah, it should be down this way.
There we go. Woo! What?
Ladies and gents, wait for me, I got the light.
Wait, you ready?
Holy shit, man. I thought you were a car for a second.
Wait,
Are you high?
Wait, you guys ready? One, two, ready,
Walk on the car, time, bitch.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah, I remember there's that sign over there. You wrote no cocks on it. So.
Yeah, roll it on that one too.
Yeah.
It's like an epic rain,
Like
foggy. Go boom chicka, ow ow.
Oh, wait.
Boom chicka, wow wow. Stop raping people. You're on video camera.
Fuck you. Fuck you. Yo, if that goes on Facebook, I'm killing you.
YouTube.
If that goes on YouTube, I'm killing you.
There we go, double.
What?
Double light.
Use the force.
I see the light. It is beautiful.
Yep.
Where the fuck is the tunnel? Walking in the rain. Tom is soaked. Tom, your fucking shirt.
Yeah, whatever. I'll just turn the heat in the car. I'll dry off in like 15 minutes.
He's gonna turn the heat on in the car.
I'll turn that heat on. Oh, yeah.
Fucking raining. Getting to know you. Getting to know all about you.
Wait. Oh, wait, no, it's there.
It's there, yeah. Say it's this way. I told you.
Oh,
Fix it a little bit.
getting to
No
know you. My cup of tea.
Oh my god. Oh, my shoe!
Cut your fucking shoe, you fucking fuck.
My fucking phone.
Tie your shoe, tie your shoe.
Bend over to the front. Touch your toes.
.com.
Mellet.com.
I'm
Wait,
a
wait.
piranha.
What am I, black?
Yep.
I'm
I'm a piranha from the Amazon.
Oh my god! Somebody hold my hand. Whoa, was that lightning? Holy shit! Whose bright idea was this?
Alright, who wants to draw? Alright, I'm gonna do a Scooby-Doo right now.
Hey, Raggy.
Yo!
We got lights.
Whoa, all this fucking cars. Oh shit!
Wait for a ride again! You fucker!
Get in the tunnel, bitch! Run, bitch! Oh my god, why are these fucking lights on? Yo, this is like Sweet Hollow Road. Yo, D. Yo, I swear if I catch any things on here, D. If I catch any fucking shit on my camera in this fucking tunnel, D. Woo!
Alright, I have to tie my shoe again.
What time out? Why didn't you do it in the fucking tunnel?
It was supposed to rain, but not till later.
Bullshit, News 12. You suck.
Nice ass there, D.
Oh shit.
Bound chicka wow wow.
What happened?
Who's on my ass?
Nice ass.
I'm not gonna have a phone.
She went to Facebook. He's ass.
YouTube.
YouTube.
This walk is going on YouTube. Nobody's on my YouTube anyway. I have only one viewer. What up to see you, the wizard? Now you gotta look for my Pepsi cup.
Damn. Holy crap, I'm more wetter than a hooker's pussy.
Yo, who you fucking lately?
Huh?
Are we gonna be locked in the thing?
I don't think so. People park here all the time. Yeah, we have to go that way actually.
Oh, it's a car.
Down that way.
Oh shit.
Yeah. All the cars always park over here.
This is like
I'll move the fucking thing up and we go out. That's it.
this is like the spooky walk right now. I'm surprised I haven't fallen with these fucking flip flops.
Yeah.
This probably is closing. That'd be hilarious if the car was towed. You guys are walking right into a fence.
That's the thing over there. That's that building.
Wait, let's find my soda cup. You're walking right into the fence. You guys are walking into a fence. There's a path right here.
Yeah.
Dom, I dare you to jump it. This is not the same path, is it? Yeah, it is. Was it? Yo, this is like creepy night, but fun night. Oh shit!
You alright?
Fucking sand all over my feet. What the fuck, man? Oh! Alright. My feet are officially sandy. Oh, look at how cute they are. They didn't even hear me. Thing 1 and thing 2.
Alright.
Sure that's not a cop? Huh? My phone's probably not gonna work after being in the rain. They're coming to get us. Coming to get you, Tom. Bad boy, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you?